Hi, I'm Aaron Schneider.
I'm Julia Askins.
I'm Elizabeth, Aaron's mom, and I'll be the chef for today. We're making key lime pie. I'll review the ingredients for the key lime pie. First, for the crust, we're going to use 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, and 1/3 cup of butter or margarine melted. Next, we'll go on to the filling, and the filling will include 2 cans of condensed milk, 14 ounces each, 1 cup of fresh key lime juice, 2 egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So I prepared the ovens, one at a convection baking at 350 and one at 325. Here's 1 1/4 cup of the graham cracker, 1/3 cup of the melted, in this case, butter, firmly packed light brown sugar, 1/4 cup. I've mixed the 3 ingredients, and now I'm going to firmly pack it into the pie crust. This is into the pie plate, and to make a 9-inch pie. I'm going to be baking the crust now at 350 degrees in our convection oven. And it will be in there for 10 minutes. Next, I'll be stirring the condensed milk and lime juice together. And this will be for the pie filling. That'll be 1 cup of the lime juice with 2 cans of 14-ounce condensed milk. And I like using a slotted spoon, it just makes it easier to get it mixed thoroughly. I will begin the meringue topping with 2 egg whites. And the meringue needs to turn out into a white, fluffy mixture. And then I'm slowly going to add the granulated sugar after I add the creme de tartar. I'm going to start adding the granulated sugar slowly. Next, I'll be taking the pie crust out of the oven to finish the pie. I'm going to add the condensed milk and key lime juice mixture. I'm going to spread it nicely, and I'm going to put that over. And then also spread it evenly. And then I'll be putting it back in the oven at 325. And that'll be for 28 minutes. Now we'll wait 8 hours for it to cool down and chill. Delicious.